Hey everyone, today we're setting up the MailWizz SendGrid web API application. Now, this integration is perfect for users who want to use MailWizz's powerful email marketing feature alongside SendGrid's reliable email delivery system. Start by logging into your MailWizz dashboard. Once inside, go to Settings. Then click on Delivery Servers and then click Create New Server. From the list of providers, choose SendGrid Web API. Now you'll need your SendGrid API key. Log into your SendGrid account and go to Settings. Click on API keys to create or copy an existing API key. Make sure this API key has full access permissions for sending emails. Back in MailWizz, paste the API key into the API key field. Then set the host name to api.sendgrid.com, which is SendGrid's official API endpoint. For the port, leave it as the default 443. Now, before saving, configure your throttling settings in MailWizz to ensure that you don't exceed SendGrid's sending limits. This is especially important if you're sending bulk emails. Now, once everything is configured, click Save, and you're done. Test the setup by sending a few test emails to ensure the integration works correctly. And that's all for this video. Subscribe for more guides like this one, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.